Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a job application in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Log into your Canva account with ID and password. After login you will find here a search bar. Just click and write job application. Press enter. After pressing enter you will find many job application templates. Okay, so just choose one and start customizing. I'm choosing this one. If you like this one and if you want to customize this, go here, customize this template. Here's the template is ready to be customized. Now you can edit every portion you want. I'm going to show you how. So if you want to zoom this, just click on Ctrl and up scroll from mouse. Ctrl plus up scroll, it will zoom like this. Now you can edit every portion. Job application, you can see if you want to change the color, you can go here text color and you'll find many colors. If you want to make it red, it will be red like this. Personal information, if you want to change this bar blue color, but if you want to change this, go here color and you can make it another color like white, orange, any color. So here's the name. You can double click and write your name here. Just write your name like Imran and last name is Hussain. So you can change the text color by clicking on this and going here text color, and you can make it black. It will be black. Just go and make it black. Sorry. Okay, so address, here you can double click and write your address here. I already showed you how you can change the text color. Just double click and you can see here text color. Sorry, just double click it and you'll find text color. This will be black. Date of birth, just put your date of birth here like 1/1/1998. So easy. Street name, you can see here street name, double click and write your street name. Postcode 1212. Phone number, postcode, and here's the mobile number. High school, what was your school? Just double click and put your school name. Any school you can add. University, here's you can add a national university. Double click and city, Dhaka, or you can add Melbourne or America, New York, London, whatever, that's up to you. Skill, levels, what's your skill? You can add here your skill, like you are proficient in Microsoft Office. Just you can write here Microsoft proficient in MS Office. Levels, what's your proficiency level? You can add here like expert. Just double click, go here text color and you can change the color. Here's the second skill. What's your second skill? Like you are you know multiple programming language like PHP, Python, C++, any language. What's your level? You can write here expert. Just double click and you can add here the thing. Same for this. I clarify, check it. How you can check it? You can go here elements and write here tick, TIK, and you'll find the many ticks. Like if you want to choose this one, just click on this one. Just click on this and it will be the middle like big, and you have to make it small with the mouse. Okay, so small it can be. Okay, this is good now. So you can drag it with the mouse and set it here. It will mean that you have checked it. Okay, so here's the name and signature you can put. If you want to write your signature with your pen, then you have to download this form and print it out. But if you want to add your signature digitally, go here text, or if you can see here draw. Here's the ink, choose one and you can add your digital signature here. Okay, here's the date, put the date here, here's the approval. Okay, so easy. So this is how you can make a job application in Canva. So after completing your work, how you can download it, go here, share, you'll find here download, click on download, and you'll be suggested for file type. Just click on file type and choose the suggested one, and you have to you can see here download, click on download, then whole work will be downloaded. After completing download, you can send this work direct via mail from here. So how? You have to go here, share, you can see here, right? Go here, share, and you have to choose this collaboration link, make it anyone with the link, and you have to write here people with access the box, write here the email address whom you want to share with @gmail.com. @gmail.com. So if you click on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address what you have provided in the box. Okay, so this is how you can make a job application in Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.